My name is Andi Bühler. This is the drum code, backbeat zone. Today, 8 notes on the hi-hat, 8 notes groove. Our constant pattern. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's what we play with the hand. The constant pattern, it never changes. Just keep playing that. So we want to add the bass drum. For that, we need to find out how we act in the system with all that hi-hat stuff. It's chocolada, chocolada. So we're speaking the full word, chocolada, but we're hitting the hi-hat only on chocolada, chola, chocolada. You still feel the subdivisions, but you don't play it. Chocolada, chocolada, chola, chola. With the backbeat on the second group. Chola, 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 chocolada, chocolada. When we go to in the reading book to the 16 combinations plus, we can play the bass drum with the black spots. So without the hands, 16 combinations plus is chocolada, 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 chola, 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 chola. Number 2, chocolada, 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 chocolada. 3, chocolada, 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 chocolada. 4, chocolada, 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 chocolada. So when you come together with a cho or a la, you're together with a hi-hat, because we play cho, la, cho, la. Cho, la, cho, la, cho, la, cho, la. If you come together on, if you play on the choco or on the chocolada, you're in between the hi-hat. Chocolada, 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 chocolada. Or chocolada, 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 chocolada. With the backbeat always on the second group, first hit. I'm gonna play you the first 6 numbers of the 16 combinations plus. 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, you go to the mix it up section, then it sounds like this. I go for a change, I use the right symbol. Alright, mix it up section, just the beginning. Bit faster, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, can go through the whole reading book with that stuff. Always with the groups of 4, it works. So, if you have the backbeat zone, you remember that means the second group where we play normally the backbeat on the first hit, we use the whole second group for our snare variations. So our constant pattern now is only the hi-hat or the right cymbal. So cho, la, cho, la, cho, la, cho, la. When we have a black spot in the first group of fourth, we use the bass drum. When we have a black spot in the second group of fourth, we use the snare. So let's see what happens in the mix it up section. Beginning with the first one, which is easy because it's on the first hit. It sounds like a normal backbeat. It's cho, la, cho, la. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Number 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You see? Because it's in the second group, the black spot is played by the snare drum. Number 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. All. Chocolada, 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 chocolada. Number 4. Chocolada, 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 chocolada. You see? All right. You can go through the whole mix it up section again. Then you're gonna start all that variations. In the end, always remember to make a little improvisation with the stuff you learned. Don't think about it too much. I don't do it. Just keep in mind, if you have the backbeat pattern, it's always 1, 2, 1, 2. Variations for the bass drum means as an improvisation now. Yeah, backbeat always stays the same, hi-hat stays the same. Variations in the bass drum. Backbeat zone, only the hi-hat stays and the bass drum and the snares have the variations. That means 1, 2, 1, 2. Could look like this. Like I said, don't think too much. The concept is clear, it's for practicing, but when you make an improvisation, you're free to do whatever you like. Okay, have fun with it and see you soon. Bye.